Hey, good evening, everybody. It's Mike with SmartOptionTrading.com. It is Tuesday, the 28th of December, and this is our daily recap. And, it's been a very, very quiet, very messy day in the markets. And, for what it's worth, we talked about this pre market that we'd gotten a little extended here, a little ahead of ourselves, and we could get a nice day of rest or an inside day. So when you look at the SPY, here's this beautiful pattern. By the way, you have a nice little W pattern that's kind of worked its way here. We haven't been looking at that. And after 5 green days in a row, you have a little bit of digestion here on volume that is anemic. How anemic? We're 28 million shares with 40 minutes to go, guys. It doesn't get much thinner than this. So overall, in all, to me, today is a whole big deal about nothing. The Santa rally doesn't mean we go up every day. It means that sometimes, we have a little bit of day of rest. And all we have here, look at the size of this candle, is a day of rest, a little quiet day here in the markets. Personally, I'm hoping for a little pullback here tomorrow in the morning on the futures, and then we can go red to green. On the Qs, similar action, a little bit weaker today. The IWM had tried to bounce and then it failed, but overall holding in. And, the VIX here is doing a whole heck of a lot of nothing. And there's really just nothing going on here, nothing to be concerned about. If you want to talk about what was in play today and what we were looking at, well, there was a couple names that we traded. I was in at a Boeing a couple of times and made some money on that today. And you can see it pushed up almost to the 50-day, just missed it by a couple pennies and it's pulled back here. But overall, it had a nice day with some rotation. Um, Roku early on had a big volume, but it could not break out. It went right into my sell trigger on the day and it pulled back off of that. Netflix also moved with it a little bit, but ultimately couldn't hold up. Facebook tried to give another follow through day, but it came back in. You have a reversal candle there, and it just was not their day. Apple also gave a trade, if you were paying attention during the lunchtime area just before it. CNBC came on pushing the push to 3 trillion, which is 182.86, by the way. And you can see it pushed over a buck in 10 minutes on that. And then it came back in. And it really just has lost its momentum here. Bottom line, there was nothing wrong today. It's a little bit of profit taking, not much going on. If you like names like Disney, they had a stronger day today. The AMD here, which was strong yesterday, came in pretty hard, but nice pushback here, trying to push almost back above yesterday's high here. NVIDIA also trying to push back up. So just a little bit of back and fill in an off day. And that's how I'm going to read into today. This week is very quiet. It's a very slow week, and it's not a week to overtrade. Members, my 2022 market outlook and outperform names is available. It is free for you who are members with me 6 or more months. And if you want to just send me an email or reach out to me. Anybody else interested, you can come on to my website, link in the description, click on buy now, and it'll give you 2 options. It's just $99. There's over 20 names in it that can outperform. We look at the markets overall. It's about 41 pages of information with charts and entrances and exits and even leap ideas. It's great. So for $99, just click here, or you can get a special 3 months in, and that includes the outperform for free. That said, I'm wishing you guys all a wonderful night, and we'll be back at this tomorrow morning, and hopefully we have better action tomorrow.